Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is April the 27th on a Thursday. Taking a look at the market, a couple of ugly days in the SPY, I should say. Q's doing a little bit better, obviously, with earnings coming out from Meta, trying to gap up to this. Looks like a 3-day high here, right at it, still under pressure. And the breath right now is just horrible, guys. And what that means is you want to play stocks that are strong, that look good. So uh, let's uh, let's take a look at some opportunity out there. Of course, everybody's going to be talking about Meta, but I'm going to look at a few other ones that I think are setting up pretty well. I like this ARWR after. This ugly had a gap up and then an ugly day yesterday, reversed that and closed to close to highs. So I'm going to stick a 3-day high alert right there if it goes through that 36 level in that ARWR. That's something I definitely want to know about. Stein, I had it on yesterday. I'm still liking this. If it gets above that 1210 level, that multi month high there, and STNE. AUPH. Okay, this is a pharmaceutical, so always be careful. This is setting up holding above that 20 period moving average now for a couple of weeks. Keeps coming down but bouncing up. So let's set an alert if this goes through this. I'd say this level right here around 1140, 1150, something right there. And one more. This is kind of a spec play. Even though I said play strong stocks, I do like the way AI is holding this 200-day moving average down here. And you also have a pivot level right here on this AI. So if one is inclined to be a little more risky, you could play that using that 3-day low there as your uh, out. All right. Good luck. Have a great day.